What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on all things Noah. I know I haven't posted a lot of videos on this channel as much. I took a 2 week off from uploading videos on this channel, but now I am actually back of recording another video on all things Noah YouTube channel. So in this video today, I'm going to be giving you guys a step-by-step of how I create a content schedule workflow for my content, for content creation, and for my live streams as well. Because as a content creator, it is definitely very difficult to have a balance between your life and your content creation, and also for your streams as well. So I'm going to give you guys a step by step of how I actually create my content creation schedule workflow and how I actually do it. So I want to show you guys a little example of my stream schedule. So there you go. So this is what my stream schedule actually works like as of right now. And I actually create this off of Canva. You can actually download Canva actually on your mobile device. You can also download it on your you can also get it on your computer. You can also install it on your computer as well. But yeah, Canva is free. Some features are available for premium, but you can basically create one for free without no extra cost of creating a stream schedule. So you know how much a stream schedule is really important in the content creation space. So I always try to create one so I can balance my live streams and to also take most of those days off to work on content creation and streaming. So for streaming, I stream on Mondays, 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I usually stream for 4 hours. That's how many hours I mostly stream for every live stream on Monday. Tuesday is my day off. I usually take this day to usually edit my content from my live stream and make them either for clips, highlight reels, and to plan out for my next lives, and to actually spend time actually networking, because networking is really important. Same with content creation by making clips and making highlight reels from the live streams. So I usually take this day off for an editing day and to work on other things. Wednesdays, I do a stream again. I stream from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Same exact time I normally stream for. Stream different game, Dead by Daylight. Then we get on to Thursday. I take a day off because this is usually my YouTube creation day. This is where I actually spend most of my time working on YouTube videos, getting them out there, getting them all published, and then actually to edit for my live streams on that Thursday. So to get everything and get all the thumbnails all planned, and to actually work on my stream a little bit to make some improvements for it or anything. So Thursday, I usually take that day off just for videos. Friday, this is a YouTube day. I actually do spend a lot of time working and recording videos for YouTube. So that Friday is basically built for my second channel and also for my main channel, because I try to upload at least for videos on my main channel at least 3 times a week for the videos. Shorts, I do try to publish between 3 to 5 shorts per week. For live streams, I try to at least stream at least 3 times a week throughout my week. So that's kind of how I really built my content creation flow when I do schedule clips throughout the week, and then the same with having videos scheduled. So because having your shorts and your clips actually scheduled ahead of time is actually really important, because it gives your viewers actually something really excited about of building a content creation flow schedule. And it definitely takes less of the stress for me from years before, because years before I would always publish the short the next day, schedule it, all that kind of stuff, and it was kind of making me feel really overwhelmed. But since I schedule everything ahead of time, it actually makes me have less stress, and it actually improves my content creation flow of when I'm balancing other stuff, and then basically balancing this as well. So, especially when I'm basically a content creator that does this part time, that eventually I would have to do this full time, and eventually the content creation flow will definitely change later on. But Saturday, we do never stream. Fortnite, 6 to 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. That's at nighttime, but you guys will be seeing that actually tomorrow. And then Sunday, day off. This is usually our where we plan out things for the next week and to actually edit everything down and then release the next stream schedule. But we usually plan everything on Sunday, so everything will be planned for the next week. So yeah, that's kind of how I kind of break down my content creation flow workflow schedule. Let me know down in the comments down below if it did definitely help you out of helping you understand what my content creation workflow looks like, that it could actually help you that's trying to build a content creation flow schedule. Let me know down in the comments of how you guys work around your content creation workflow. And yeah, I appreciate everyone for watching this video, and this is Noah here, and I'll see you guys in the next video.